The most dangerous AI business model. There's an AI business model so powerful, so automated, and so profitable that it might not be legal for much longer. Some people are secretly making thousands every single day without touching a keyboard. But governments and corporations are starting to notice, and that's where things get dangerous. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this AI money-making system is and how to use it before it disappears. But first, a warning. This method, it's not for everyone. It's fast, it's powerful. And if you're not careful, it could be shut down overnight. Are you ready? Let's begin. Right now, a hidden AI automation system is generating insane amounts of cash with almost zero human effort. It's a system built on AI-generated content, viral automation, and an exploit in the digital marketplace that almost no one is talking about. Imagine having an army of AI tools working 24/7, creating content, selling services, running businesses while you sleep. And the craziest part? You don't even need to be an expert to do this. Right now, AI is taking over industries, automating entire workflows, and making traditional businesses obsolete. But there's a small window of time where regular people like you, can use this to cash in before it's locked down. Because here's the thing. Whenever something is too profitable, too easy, and too scalable, it doesn't stay secret for long. So what is this business model? It's simple, but extremely powerful. AI is now advanced enough to fully create and automate digital products. This means AI-generated books, courses, voiceovers, even AI-generated art and websites can be sold in massive volumes, with almost no effort from the seller. A single AI agent can write, edit, and publish books at lightning speed. Another AI tool can generate viral social media posts, and yet another can create high-converting sales pages, all in minutes. This is where it gets insane. People are setting up entire AI-driven businesses that work completely on autopilot, without hiring employees, without investing thousands, and without even being an expert in what they're selling. And guess what? The platforms allowing this are starting to panic. Let's talk about the danger. Corporations like Amazon, Google, and Fiverr are already cracking down on AI-generated content. People have made millions selling AI-generated books, courses, and services, but now bans are rolling in. TikTok and YouTube are limiting AI-generated videos. Amazon has started flagging AI-written books, and freelance platforms, they're starting to reject AI-generated services. That means one thing. If you want to use this system to make money, you have to act fast. Because once the floodgates close, the opportunity is gone. So how do you cash in before this gets shut down? Step 1. Choose a digital product that AI can generate effortlessly. This could be AI-written books, AI-generated art, automated voiceovers, or even AI-built websites. Step 2. Set up an AI automation workflow. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and Synthesia can create high-quality content in minutes. Step 3. Sell fast. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Fiverr, and Amazon KDP are still open for AI-generated content, but the window is closing. Step 4. Rinse and scale. AI can create unlimited variations of products, meaning once you find a winning formula, you can scale infinitely. But remember, time is running out. This AI loophole won't last forever. The smartest people are making a fortune right now, but in a few months, it might be too late. So, do you want in? If you want a full step-by-step breakdown of how to build an AI-powered business before it's shut down, drop a comment saying AI Gold below. And if you don't want to miss out on the next AI money-making method before it's gone, make sure to subscribe now. Because trust me, the next AI revolution is even crazier. I'll see you in the next video, before it's too late.